Hi, welcome back. This is Sadie, and we are going to do the no mirror makeup challenge. I'm nervous. So we've blocked all of our mirrors off with Post-it notes, and I'm going to minimize the monitor screen so that we can't see that either, and we'll just see what happens. So, here we go. You ready? You know what we didn't get? Eyelid primer. Have you ever used this one before?
No.
I like it. Works good. It's very sticky though. A little goes a long way. I'm trying to think if I've ever done my makeup without a mirror before.
I feel like I've like touched up I know I've touched up like my lipstick for like cheer and stuff without a mirror. Like I know I've done that, but like
I don't know that I've ever done
like a full face.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
I know I've done it like a car mirror.
That's the mirror of truth.
It's seen everything.
It points out like every flaw on your face.
It cracks me up when I'm like sitting at a red light and you can see the person next to you like
Looking
putting on their mascara and you're like, me too.
Oh, these eyebrows. This makes me nervous.
Yeah, I'm just gonna brush
This
my eyebrows.
This is gonna be weird. I don't know if I should do this or not. Good deal. I'm gonna do my eyes first.
I'm gonna go ahead and do foundation. Hour chemical concealer, because I live and breathe.
I don't know how to say this eyeshadow, so I'm not even gonna try. It came in my FabFitFun box.
Cool.
Douce
I don't even know.
Chromatic Eyeshadow Pro Palette Nude Eye Finish. That stuff like set it all day too. That ain't going nowhere if you set with Cody Airspun. I'm using Wet n Wild.
And I'm afraid that that's gonna happen to me.
No, it's not. Go with that. Hope it's good.
Because I didn't do anything. You didn't say anything.
Oh, did you put Colin in on the inner corners?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see the bottom?
Blue?
Yeah.
Is there? No, there's no blue. There's nothing there. I didn't even know that. I thought you just put Colin in. That's why I was like, oh, did you put colon in? What is this?
Like 5 minutes ago, Lizzie.
minutes.
Okay. Oh, that's definitely not my under eye.
Oh, I
Whoa.
just smiled and got blush on my lip. Is it my Dylan with a clown?
No.
I feel like I've got a lot of blush on that side.
Can you see it now?
No.
What in the world? Okay,
Oops.
you have to be able to see that.
Yes, I can
Okay.
see it now.
It doesn't look bad.
No, it
Okay,
looks really
okay.
good actually.
Definitely see.
You probably can't see because my glow is probably blinding right
Oh,
now.
yeah.
This guy at work was like, your makeup looks different today. And I was like, what do you mean? And he was like darker. Darker. It's because I had. So I went and put some highlighter on it. And the guy was like, is that better? I was like, yes, that looks more like you. It's because your lashes are so flipping long. Did you hear that?
It's really asking you for some Taco Bell.
Well, it ain't getting Taco Bell because I'm too lazy to drive to Taco Bell.
Am I good?
You still have mascara right there.
Right there?
Uh-huh.
What in the world?
Try to like, here, use this little thing and like just rub it on your skin and it should flake it off. I feel like I'm not full coverage. Like I'm not my full coverage.
coverage though.
Yes, much better. Take your sponge and like, because it kind of took the foundation off. Lips. I'm breaking out this CoverGirl Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick. Here, I was like, I'm not going to use a liquid lipstick. In 110. Evangelical. That's literally. You see it?
Yeah.
See what they did there? See what you did. I see what you did there, CoverGirl.
This is so weird because
I know. I'm like addicted to that stuff. And
I use Morphe. Does Morphe setting spray?
Yeah.
And that James uses. And I got it for $15 at Whoops.
It's legit like the most ridiculous thing, like the most bougie thing
Who uses
ever.
it? I forget.
Jeffrey.
Yes. He's like, and he uses it and he's like, grabs another one. Okay, we get that you're rich.
You're right. No, I don't want Donald Trump, sorry. Alexa,
Okay, nobody.
how much is Donald Trump worth?
Donald Trump has an estimated net worth of $3.1 billion. Did that answer your question?
Yes, so Jeffrey's nowhere close to Donald Trump. $3,100,000,000. You're welcome, Alexa.
What was Jeffrey?
Alexa, how much is Jeffree Star worth?
Jeffree Star is worth an estimated $75 million.
Okay, I feel like I've been baiting myself forever, but it just feels really good.
It does, doesn't it? With that water?
Okay.
I mess my lips up when I'm looking in the mirror. I can only imagine. I'm going to put some Beauty Rush flavored gloss over it. In who knows what flavor, because it doesn't say. Oh, it smells good. It smells like brown sugar, I guess. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Here, let's pull the camera back up. I feel like my lips are like legit. All right, ready, set, go.
Okay, actually,
I know you did pretty good.
not bad.
Oh, I am. Look at my under. I didn't wipe my bake off. I was like, why is my under eye so white?
Okay. I do like the blue.
Look at my upper lip. It's like looks like I have a highlighter mustache.
Okay, but I am kind of obsessed now. I don't think I did like,
No, you did pretty good.
and I didn't put too much blue, but you can still see it. Like,
I think we did really good, actually. Look at us. What is it, Rebel Rose? Is that what you picked? That's my favorite. I actually don't look too shabby. Not too shabby. This is probably like the most neutral look anybody on my channel has ever seen me do. Like, we're pretty cute.
Honestly,
Not
Didn't do
too
bad.
bad.
I think so.
All right. Love you, mean it.